Sorry, I'm losing my mind. Um, I don't think that's okay. Uh, we're gonna do another giveaway. One more. Why not? Why not? And we've got another one to do later tonight over at Bingo. So next word for our wonderful birthday celebration replay giveaway was cherry blossom. Got the link in there. Filtered to duplicate. Da 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 da. Fun little math problem. Let's get our comments. There's 17 potential winners. 17 potentials. Who's it going to be? Is it going to be you? Is it going to be me? Not going to be me. Let's see who it is, though. Let's see, let's see, let's see. The Naked Snail. Wonderful celebration, Jessica. Be sure to let me know what design you want for your custom earrings. Ooh, 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 ooh. So again, Snail, as in the last video, you have 1 week from today's date. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd. You have until Tuesday, June 10th to send me an email letting me know that you've seen the video and you are going to claim your winnings. If after the 10th they're not claimed, they will be forfeited. So I have to say, you know what? Thank you guys. You're phenomenal. See you soon.